Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you go to find timeline down in the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will fall to you. So, let's start our lesson of today. So, guys, as you see here, that the Bitcoin here in the daily, after also we enter from here, people they being with me, they remember that very well. Look where we are now. People they enter from down here. Try to protect yourself. Try to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen because that level here of that 25k, it's still very stronger and we couldn't break it above. As you see it, we came to it. Now that candle it's showing backing down, and today is Monday. People they been with me didn't know what it meant Monday. To try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Try to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen in the coming hours. And here in the daily, what we got here, as you see that 50 moving average here, it's being broke, but that candle here, it need to close like that. If we haven't closed, there is nothing yet. Why me I told you try to protect yourself? Because you don't know what's going to happen. Try to move stop loss up, check some of the profit, because till now you are in a very nice profit. People they enter with me now, how much they are making from down here till up there, they are making 23%, as you see it here, and that one is a very good earning. So now try to protect yourself. Here in the daily now we got something new. Look at it now. If you came down here now, look what you got here. Got now here a up channel. Now the Bitcoin it give you here like a up channel here for a wage. So that even that one you need to look after it, what is going to do in the coming days. If we are going to break above here or we are just going to touch here, then after that we're going to fall down. So you need to be careful about those things. Now here we got a very clear mega fall like that. Look at it like that, and in the top like that. That one it need to come to break above here. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, guys. You need to remember that. That time picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours here. People they been with us, they remember that when we break in here in the yesterday video, I told you guys you need to enter long. As you see it, it came the Bitcoin till here 4 hours candle is closed here, but it show a weakness from the top here in that level here. As you see it, what should you do now? Try to protect yourself, because the take profit for that wage here, you remember it, that wage is getting broke here. The take profit of it, it needs to be here in that top here. Did it bring it? Yes, look at it. It's bring the take profit here. To try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Try to protect yourself, because today is Monday and you don't know how it's going to be all the whole week. Yes, it's enter big volume. Look at it, but you don't know what's going to happen all the whole week. Try to protect yourself. Protect yourself how? Like let's say you enter by $100 from down here, or when it's getting broke here, that wage here over here, you close 50% and you move the stop loss to the break even or the entry point. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So I think, because why me I told you try to protect yourself, because look at it, because that level here, that one here, if we haven't break it, there is nothing yet, guys. There is nothing yet. It's telling us the market will change. Unless if we came and we're breaking above here, and that's another story. Me I don't tell you to close everything. I told you to close a little bit. Take profit, learn to take some of the profit. Like that, you're going to be always in the safe side. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying here. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you remember, what me I told you. I told you when it's going to touch here, that trend line of the divergence, that one here, try to protect yourself. That's what me I told you yesterday. In yesterday video, when we be in here, I tell you that. Same thing now. Look at it. We are there. If we zoom in out like that, let me show you where we get it from. You remember what else we used to have here? The divergence here, that one here. That way also we enter short. And when we break in here, I told you guys it's going to here to touch that divergence trend line here. So now try to protect yourself. We touch it here. As you see it, today is Monday. Try to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Yes, us now here. We are in a full control, but Monday always don't trust in it. You enter in Sunday, Monday, you make nice profit. That's it. Always protect yourself. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying here. So let's go in there. That one here, as you see it, we be in here at the oversold area. As you remember, people they been with us, they remember that. So we be looking here for a buy opportunity, and when it's getting broke here, we enter long because here we used to have here a price action, a very clear price action. Then also we enter long here when it's breaking here. Now here our indicator, as you see it came here to the overbought area, and you are in a very stronger supply and demand. So look at it here. If you came here and you connecting those dots here and those ones down here, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and our indicator it enter here to the overbought area. So people they enter either from down here or either from here. Try to protect yourself. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Try to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen. Now what's going to happen here in that level here? Should we enter short? No, my friend, there is nothing yet here telling us we need to enter short. There is no price action here telling us we need to enter short. We need to wait in a little bit more. The market to give us here a price action or something for us to enter short. Y'all know there is nothing over here. The market is looking like it's still going back up, but us for swing trading, me I'm talking here. You enter, try to protect yourself. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. People they been with us, they enter from down here because of that diamond we used to have here. Then I give you another signal here. You remember all those things I think. Because we used to have here a cup and handle here. It's getting broke here. I told you enter long. Look where you are. There is no one in the web give you signals like that, like this to enter from down here. Me I watch all the other videos. No one give you a signal to enter from down there. So please, if you're watching us and you find our signals, they are valuable, please give that video a like now. Pause the video now. Go smash that like button, writing down a comment. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, guys, help us. We need to reach to 3,000 by the end of this year. So help us. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So now here, what should we do here at that level? I told you try to protect yourself now. Yes, over here, did we got any price action here? No, we don't got any price action there. The only thing we got there, we got here that trend line like that. As you see it, that one is still far away from it, and we got another one here. Look at it here. You see it or no? How I started from here and here. Look where is the market. The market is still far away. It's need that one to come to break down here in that trend line here for us to thinking of to enter short. That's for the short. For the long, what we need? For the long, you need to wait in the market to give you here a price action like how it give you here. Me, that one I haven't analyzed it for you, but that one me I enter in it long. I can even show you my broker if you want. I enter here because I used to have here a flag. Look at it. The flag is very clear here. It's getting broke here. It's bring the target exactly, guy. Now here at that level, what you need to wait in for long to wait in here a price action. That price action it needs to be broke up for you to enter long. And for the short, look with me how I draw it. See here, that one here and that one here. You came like that and you waiting the market to come to break down here for you to enter short. For the long, you already got a long position. You enter with us from down here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here. So it's going there. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. Level you are in a very stronger level, the 25k level, between 25 to 24k. Told you enter short now because you got two conditions. Our indicator is it here at the overbought area, and level you are in a very stronger level. Told you enter short. Now my friend, the most important is the price action. Price action, there is nothing there telling you need to enter short. The only price action you got is that one, that trend line like that. It's need that one to come to break down here for you to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.